Racing just started. We have Mayor Bulaklakin break quickly at the start. Big Apo is running by the rail. Ifira then followed by That's My Way. All My Life. Then next on line is Magisterium. Alongside comes High Earnings while Walk the Talk is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Big Apo by our length and a half. Mayor Bulaklak in his right behind in second. Ifira alongside comes All My Life. That's My Way. Magisterium is done on the inside. High Earnings while Walk the Talk is still racing in last by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Big Apo by about 3-4 of a length lead. Mayor Bulaklak in second. All My Life now coming closer in third. Then next on line is Ipira. Magisterium is down on the inside. Then followed by That's My Way. High Earnings while Walk the Talk is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Big Apo by our length and a half. Mayor Bulaklak in second. All My Life Ipira. Magisterium is Zodias as they swing for Roma. We have Big Apo by only a length and a half. And on the outside now is Mayor Bulaklak in Ipira. All My Life. Last 75 meters. Big Apo Ipira. Mayor Bulaklak in Walk the Talk and final Big Apo. Walk the Talk. Then comes Mayor Bulaklak in Ipira.
Masyado malayo.